The most important thing, what I wanted to have people come out of this session here today with Honestly Agile, is that people hear true stories about Agile implementations, that they hear that Agile is easy to explain but hard to do, and there is hope. There's a big reward at the end when an Agile project goes very, very well, and hopefully many do, but it's not easy to do. And we have some examples from the last 12 years where we realized that some projects actually went truly agile, some made some adjustments to it, and whenever there were adjustments to it, we actually realized that the projects had some challenges, additional challenges, throughput issues, and so forth. So Honestly Agile is a collection of stories around how I feel agility can be improved in organizations to just take off on the right foot. An audience interested in Honestly Agile is very much a group of executives, managers who are maybe uncertain right now going into an agile transformation and what that really means for an organization. But in addition to that, also executives who maybe want to invest into an agile transformation and what that end state would look like. But to be totally honest, my stories come very often from the bottom up, from the team level, so potentially anyone. Well, what the Agile Manifesto says, face-to-face communication is the most important thing, and that's why it's so important to come to conferences like this, where people actually meet in person, where they exchange information, and this is a very diverse crowd of people. We saw 29 countries were actually represented here today in Frankfurt, and we have not only 29 cultures, we have 29 countries which run agile or projects in a various ways. So what I think is what they're doing during the coffee breaks and the lunch breaks, they collaborate, they talk, they exchange business cards, they learn from each other. They might actually build some connections which last longer and hopefully longer than the conference itself. And that's the true value, right, of meeting at conferences. We could never do that virtually. So face-to-face communication.